Can you find the correct answer in 10 seconds? Because many people fail to solve. What this do? 5 minus 4 as 1, 18 minus 15 as 3, and 3 divided by 1 as 3. Did you get the same answer? If then it's a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When an expression like this, you have given multiple operations, subtraction, division, then again subtraction, then always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. As per this rule, first always solve the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first we'll give priority to division. So division is between 15 and 5. So it becomes 3 minus 4. Now only one operation left. Then always solve from left to right. So 18 minus 3 is 15 minus 4, that is 11. So what is the correct answer? 11. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.